Guys, I'm playing this game, and the game is called Weapon Simulator, which I like the game. So I'm gonna tell you pretty much. So if you go to this point, right? So look here, right? Oh yeah, guys. So if you go back here, right? You need a friend for this. So you make your friend go right here, okay? You jump in the red. You see that, right? You see these backpacks? You can get them for free. See, this is the backpack I'm gonna be getting. Well, this is the video about. So I'm gonna be in that one. No, I need to actually buy that. For this place, you need that right there. So that's why I need to get 12 coins and buy that. And then right there, fly. So you climb right here, you climb right there. You fly down right there. You walk on them. Your packagings. So now I need to get. Now I'm gonna get money in the next video. I'll show you. I finally got it. Okay, now. So bye guys. And like.